Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to measure the success of your Pinterest ads. First, all you want to do is head over to Pinterest and log into your business account. Once you logged into your business account, in order for you to see how well your ads are doing, all you need to do is click on here on the top left. And then from here under Analytics, you want to click on Analytics Overview. From here, as you can see, I don't really have anything because I have not posted anything. However, you should get something that looks a little like this. This will show you your impressions, total audience, engagements, and engaged audience. You can also get additional insights by clicking on Audience Insights or Pinterest Trends. This will show you what your audience is more interested in, and to see how well your ads are doing themselves as well as your campaigns, all you need to do is click on the top left and click on Add Account Overview. From here, you'll be able to see there's a View All Campaigns. You'll be able to see how well your campaigns are doing. And on this main screen beforehand, you can also see how well your account is doing. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.